Eto ye de kwai
Nduru hokra na rave say to nti na afre.
Yo, ye de to kwai. Obi a oye gay ana opeto.
Ohono bugum.
Me gay.
O fanya hwe.
Me back. I like the front. No man say we come down mo. Na fe fefe esogoro so.
Ajawa.
Na we you can do other power and say yes.
Mo piafo.
Go ahead and do the work. That's what I'm. That makes you a man.
I remember so mama.
Ona me kan he say went to Bema be jana mame.
Yes.
Papa hono mo. Ono mo ko beta de yere ho. No mo ye ho number ko. When the friend said the divine message.
Yeah.
Na ya mama fo atiase say ade bi a wo ye bia no debi wotwa so aba awo ne bire mu bi no fa ka no. Say Ghana fo tie yen no omo fa no say menufu esusa. That's a me kro ne ho. No say me ko ma e ko ye breast implant. You shall pay for it. Now in the Bible again, Yanko 1 Corinthians,
yes,
chapter 6, verse 19 to 20.
Okay.
Koronto
for ma. Edikai.
Yeah.
1 Corinthians chapter 6.
Verse 19 to 20.
Verse 19 to 20.
19
to 20.
Onyame owo ni wiase.
Ona te de
ya ase.
Sa ye no ntu.
E no nim de nti a ogbo nipa. E no afa na ye class e wa kra.
Okay.
Ofa kire ye say ye ka say Adam. Enye kremodin. Adam a man in the Hebrew no. And Adama a earth. And Alpha a memra sawo earth mu. Ti go pon na tie bo nipa no. Memra se no de bo nipa na wa asase no mu no. Se elusu o onipedie mu a na yale abo.
Yeah.
Ese wonya de na be obedi a ebe ma saa memra se no aba the place wo na wa ye healthy person awon Yankopon. So obinya 170, 250, no one the firstborn. Obinya 300, or the firstborn. O can almost say a sabre no enye ne. Why say ene de yen to minya?
Question.
Ebi no faka wasem fifia no.
Ko nyame born na de no sesa no.
Ah. Ya maseba. Me say ma me hwe na no. Otomi fie.
Oba de nshaw.
Already almost 110 years.
Otiase.
Ofani ye.
Ho den.
Amachi 5 na.
Ono ye kan.
Ofe. Yo, amachi 5 na me ma so na me between no. Na abrewa no. O shefu mo odo.
Ahomachi.
Me fie no ma ye
garden.
Already. Oti eja. Ma fa me ho kan fu a. Na me ya list. Se urade ko ma me share ibi.
Wow.
110 years. Ma me ne do. Because me all hear me. Debia no nto obetra me nche no yawo me feature me fence no hu nyina no yawo fite me say eh ena ye say the whole crowd dey China bana me wa no no what dey China Africa serious
I'm for bomb master mama so
yawo ma me dey aduma sha oyobi a o se ohun papa wo ya na nani age because o hear me we do feel pen wa frame me abojo se ho ye also hu papa no na wa kai onana.
Wow.
Mama na 110 years no ono nana
nya me mama na ne papa mpo ne nana. Wow.
We say o se onana no sa na ne bibia atie.
Okay.
Ya wonu say o Bible mu say me ye shevu ya.
Yes you.
If you the message. Yeah. De won bia no yaw de ye bia no nyame mra ana se oni pedese ni wudu to na mo tie ka se ye tie de ene no human rights ana de broni eka so you be gwase.
Oh yes.
Because one day we are criminal, you will die and go and face your judgment. When you're Christian, you will die one day. But come and say go, but I mean so hefa. What is what hefa?
Oko.
It means that we have a place to go.
Misata oko.
Oko.
Aliu Mahama.
Oko. Enti wo a wo hem sisi ano. Asema kan say, mema ewiase no amfa. Lifestyle and aba. Obi say ne be mesua. Na da ya say adwuma be say yede kese na yede ye.
Dabi.
Wona wonya de me training. Wona wonya de.
Aba bi Corinthians no.
Ya fa kese na de aba wo adwuma. Experience and stamina.
Sir. Madam we was kese be wura me ntimi nkonchan ne nchan de da mu ye dai. E bi aketo be bonu mutokura ye pe no se kese a ntimi keke.
Yes, bronya dere yawo. Na di yewu. Enti obo ma na ye to aduro auta ma obama aye kese.
De kwan.
Enti bra na mama de hwi. Obo kwaro so kura no hu nim. Mino obi dia, madam papa. Ya aye kese enso no ago. Ejuru sale.
Adi so guni na so.
Ejuru sale. Se wo ru ho ma se am se ayentini. Ese so a na sai. Asofo se Israel, asoma to me o. So yeah,
esuma duru no.
O yero obi afa. Aho wiase. Wako tie wiase. Mamu tie wiase. Bible anka. Mamu tie wiase. No obi do wiase a na ye enemy. E de ma onyankopon. Ya yenko.
1 Corinthians chapter 6 verse number 19.
Thank you.
What? Know ye not that your body is a temple of the Holy Ghost which is in you?
What?
Which ye have of God, and ye are not your own?
Can't you know pa?
Korinto for me because tell you say ni ma ye edun kron. O say ana say munimi say muni padua ye Hong Kong a owo mumu no. Owo mumu. Munya free Onyankopon ho no asore dan. Na muni ho o say monne mo ho. Monne mo ho. No me ya say musa. Monne mo ho. You are not of yourself. There's a power that controls you. Yes. Eti no be can say me da Ebrade honhom e na ehwe me so. One say ade a chew no was sorry. Da obambofo bi na bo me ho ban. Therefore you go pon yes so. Sai you go pon no yawo na mu nsam no na me kan ka kire wo no. Okay. Na me kan wo nyina no yawo. Na me kire wo so no me bi a e koso today. Okay. Enye Bible say mo ye go pon asore dan. Na go pon ho ban dan atimu. Na so obi sai nyame so dan ya. Sai no be sai. God will destroy you. Yes. Also 1 Corinthians 3:17. 1 Corinthians 3:17. Yeah. Yankai hozo so ebium. Was say 17, right? Yeah. If any man defile the temple of God, him shall God destroy. For the temple of God is holy, which temple ye are. Yes. Okay. Se kan twi ni so e de ama omo a 1 Corinthians 3:17. Se obi say Nyankopon asore dan a say na Nyankopon be say no if we say Nyankopon asore dan hote na eno ene mo a aye hien kasa aye wo ha no do be bisa say e die na me ya e kire say ma say Nyankopon asore dan a eye me no. Thank you. And say one obo ade mo wo no onim de ye na onye no wo sa oni bi enti oba atoketoa sa aba eto stable oba de nyansani yawo no bi enti oba bumfu ade ayen sisi yawo 50 years back no na eni ho. Okay. 100 years back no na eni ho. Yes. Offer there also many so onyini pa or more experience or ancient of years no e de be mayen say tetefo no nyini cheye a na ye ni me bi a ene aba wo nwanye bi. Okay. Minimum ama omokoye eye shadow. Ebi enya eye problem. Na ni ko sharo ya de akose so. Yeah. Unu na asa gira mo. Yes. Yeah, one. Mama na mo mezumi mayen. We friend azumi bezumi mayen. Yes. Omo che say so wo oba na fi so oba no. Isa. Ade nsere ko ya. Wa aye wa tache. E ka say nsere ko ya. Che say aye ka. Atete pansam. Thank you. Ya obotumi akọ. Ebi sin nyina tutu. Obotumi akọ na fi no wo mo aye na ache. Okay. E de amount.
ya ekoso question bi sam na me yar ma ozisia no
se niema de ka oni padua
good
kire se wo sai asori dan tinya me be sai wo
good ana me yema ono
na video bi ni se etwa wani super ya oba bi okọ share de to ba akwada ne bo no ne to ne fada ne bo ne to ne fa ye bo se wa sai asori dan no na me so asai wo
ya o we say
okay
no fa chire
okay mon shey camera no momode ana on peki we enfama na fe yenka ho asem enfancho because waka we say we cap Africa ana ugusu a wo hwe na ha Royal Television Sunday bia awia dumi no kopem no mienu ana e de sa adwuma de ebra wo na memenda no mienu kopem no na so ne abomoden asiso de amaw na ene yedi nkobo na yabedu ba bi ahwe ni niema nipa wo de ka oni padua kire se wase nyame asore dan enti nyame besel ti no fo no fo ma be ho sa no
ya de fo no implant
yes now we so ne mfe no akopia
yes
no nya flat tummy
yes
na de o she blue no o de ne to no kire
that is it ana ya wo so no se bia obabu won na se be otumi awobre ne ho ache
yes
ema akoso trend emu asai ana company bi aba
tura na tia fa
ayaka ana company bi aba brother company wa ba mo de ba Africa han say oba no say ko ba na sa no a o de bra e betumi ayo no bi di amaw
e be ni yopo
na asanso ache je
company launches vagina tightening cream inshallah
yes
Yankai.
When you can want some, any debate.
An Indian company has launched what it claims is the country's first vagina tightening cream, saying it will make women feel like a virgin again. The company says it is about empowering women, but critics say it is doing the opposite.
What?
It is certainly a bold claim, as the music starts playing on the advertisement for the 18 again cream. Okay,
I want to hear me. Thank you. You see, now when you come to say, and now look at say, side cream no, yo, then I be about how. Emma, a man a use super. They say a man says, "Oh, vagina cancer."
Ayaka.
Topic no hear me. Wait, you know.
We Daily Graphic, 14th November 2009.
Yes.
New warning on perfect vaginas.
What's it?
Women are undergoing surgery to create perfect genital amid a shocking lack of information on the potential risk of the procedure. Reporter said, okay.
Now, some man, no, yo, me de me who no, that's me na station me hwe din obemfo no.
Okay.
Hey, papa we no de hwe ade o. Obemfo. O do no hwe amanfo ade. Na oba da no abo naked. Na obemfo ana ni hwe na wa fada de sekan ene akuma se for example scissors. Na we try oba na create stories on the create stories. Obi na o sa no. Obi na obemfo ye na sa no.
Yes.
Na yo de bibi. Afama me buku bi. To se kwaku buku se hwani ye pa. Na scientist bi. Ono nye kristoni.
Okay.
Onye kremoni.
Okay. Oni sumbia mo.
Dabi. Omo de omo bɔ mpae na omo tumi atasa mo hu wiase ebe si wiase ewiye.
Okay.
And I can say by the year 2000 you see more enema youth no be no be opposite against the creator.
Okay. And then I course you
to book no ya no be come be ya mark no
and me so be so me there na some so me hwe ni ye okay. How scientists see the year 2000
about the year.
I see page 2, Weekly Spectator, Saturday, February 24th, 1996.
How many years now?
Bigum.
Thank you. Just say, Papa no, Odum do be wiase a oba be ye.
Be 35 years.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Scientists so, amu hu say,
me say 35.
You see a year 2000 mu ekwa
25, yeah.
na erwe bi ade asesa obaka na say ti ha say
Open free so yeah.
yes sir starting with
Christians, Muslims.
yeah one of fabra
Yeah, also Christians, Muslims, Hindus, Buddhists, and followers of other major religions of the world attach great importance to the year 2000 AD.
The word powerful scientist for no and
Okay.
TA.
Well, see, this is because the year 2000 marks the end of the Piscean age.
Actually,
And
I would say your Pisces,
Yeah.
Aquarius.
The Piscean age and the beginning of the Aquarian age. Pisces is the 12th sign of the zodiac in astrology. It is also the 12th zodiacal constellation in astronomy. Aquarius is the 11th sign of the zodiac, and it is also the 11th zodiacal constellation. The Piscean age, or the age of Pisces, is associated with the Christian era.
What it? I say now, they'll say, Opetele, you know, on the
Yes.
don't say,
Because
a branch musum asole a pida no sableno a chum.
that you're in the age of Pisces.
Pisces,
Okay, and also in the 2000.
that is it.
And,
I don't know. Way back, I started in 1970.
That is
That's
it.
a program.
yeah.
The birth of
Pisces, you know.
Yeah.
And then why in the
And no,
yeah, you're Aquarius.
and say, Aquarius age, if you golden age.
Okay.
So golden age, no,
Kingdom age.
kingdom age, no, yeah. And near ma, ye be ye no, asole any to me be. Thing of a cancer, asole or religion is impotent.
Yeah.
Asole to me,
I said
it's answer, and near ma, you for ye no. Quran, Abekasa, but you for no, Omuntie. Bible, Abekasa, a Christopher, Omuntie. I said, and near ma, you will say mono, and Aquarius age no mono, yow, a different altogether. And
I said the Piscean age, or the age of Pisces, is associated with the Christian era, the period between the death of Jesus Christ and the year 1999. The age of Aquarius, or the Aquarian age, follows immediately after the Piscean age. It replaces the Piscean age, and it is regarded as a golden age. All the major religious faiths of the world believe that 2000 AD is a golden age, or an age when the Messiah or Mahdi would return to the earth.
Watch it. Oh, say Nkrumah can. Say, I won't try Mahdi. I won't try Mahdi. Uka Fansua.
Yeah,
you saw about, and hold no.
And I was say, the other one can so do could just say Galileo say he would 2 years. Or say, and then they say, yes, or moves okay.
Sir,
We say, or by BC Ghana. I know BC America. I don't go see Galileo. I ain't for no Kwakusi.
ya kan da I'm so sincere na owo na nan otepa so.
I don't say you move.
Thank you.
Okay.
Na me the constitution ni yes age no na nema ebe koso ho no.
I say it is believed that the new age or new millennium would bring in its trial general prosperity, happiness, wisdom, and higher consciousness.
Now, how can I see?
How do you know see her?
Thank you.
I'm a bashar free her.
Yes.
At the Baha. Okay. Well, say the Soviet scientists said by 2000 millions of acres of desert land will be transformed into high yielding fertile areas.
Yes.
There would be noticeable changes. Yeah, there would be noticeable changes in the behavioral dressing habits of both sexes.
What it?
Men.
I feel you say you rasa way of dressing.
Yeah, even as I said about because desert,
yes.
A bit to me, Dania, I feel a bit drama by
Dubai example. Gaddafi changed the land of Libya and the land of the forest.
Yes. I see there will be noticeable changes in the behavioral dressing habits of both sexes.
Thank you.
And Tadi been at the church.
And Tadi, you know,
said that I had a boxer.
Yeah.
yɛhyɛ trousers ne atetem
Yeah.
sɛ deɛ aba no